my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like
The most awaited song reaction is back because you guys asked me so many times. Sahana song from the movie Raja Sa by Prabhas, and then the other one is Jananayakan Oru Pere Varalaru song. So let's check both of them out in a single reaction video. Yay! Clap, clap. So like I told you, the first one's gonna be Sahana song from the movie Raja Saab in Telugu, starring none other than Mr. Prabhas, the rebel star, the dinosaur, and everything else you can comment down below. The rest of the star cast from the Raja Saab would be Prabhas, of course, Sanjay Dutt, Boman Irani, Malavika Mohanan, Nidhi Agrawal, Riddhi Kumar, Zarina Wahab. We got them all. Written and directed by Maruti. Music is by Taman S. DOP Karthik Palani. Is there anybody else? Sound design Sync Cinema. Cool, yeah. Captions I've turned it on in case if it works. Otherwise, I'm good. As long as the music is good. So let's go. Oh, it's gotta be a romantic one. Please. Stunning. Yellow. Feels like
Sahana,
spring.
Sahana, na sakhi Sahana, kallo ninne chusana. Sahana, Sahana, tisai suguna manase nike rasana.
Hey, lovers.
Ninna munna kuduruga vechunna. Eduruga nuve vache saka
Interesting costumes.
Navaduvika nuve entunnene mudulanu vesena. शरद चंद्रिका तेजयामिनी मिलोत्पलनिवे मंदगामिनी प्रमदीपिका हंसभामिनी कदिले देवता श्रीवे शरद चंद्रिका तेजयामिनी मिलोत्पलनिवे मंदगामिनी
Nice red one.
हंसभामिनी
Is that a kurti?
कदिले देवता श्रीवे
With white, they all look like they're in heaven.
లోపలే వచ్చే సావె బామ్మ ఇది శుభమా శుభమా నీ నేరుగా పంచే సావులేనా చెరి సగమే సగుమా నీలో ఎంతలో ఎంతో మారినమ్మా అరే వినుమా వినుమా ఏమైపోయినా ఎంతో మారినా నీతో
Nice red dress.
శరత్ చంద్రికా తేజయామిని నీలోత్పలనివే మందగామిని ప్రమద్దీపికా హంసభామిని
Is he appreciating her?
శరత్ చంద్రికా తేజయామిని నీలోత్పలనివే మందగామిని ప్రమద్దీపికా
Got
హంసభామిని
traditional outfits.
కదిలే దేవత శ్రీవే
Nice. Hey. This section is really good. The last rap was so melodious, it just melted my insides. The location, oh my god, is so beautiful. And the location was perfect for a romantic song. Is it Scotland, or let me know which is that place? It's so beautiful and heavenly with their white costumes. They got a lot of traditional outfits as well, probably representing, or showing the Indian culture in some way while they are in foreign, locations. On top of that, Prabhas and Nidhi's chemistry was really good. The love was blooming in a very beautiful place, right? Apart from that, if there were more captions, then I could have understood what they're saying, but I tried my best. And it was really fun anyways, just seeing Prabhas. So I'm glad you watched it. Let's check out some of the comments and then go to the next one. Darling heart. If you love your darling, don't forget to like the video. All world Prabhas Anna fans assemble. Do that. Do that, okay? Instant chartbuster, fire. Of course, romance is always fiery. So they brought that. India's biggest superstar, Prabhas Anaya fans attendance, please. Attendance, please, please, please. I want to see natural look of Prabhas, but in the song Prabhas is looking like AI. That is true actually. Even I felt like maybe it was the eyes. Something about that even I felt was off. But I thought maybe he looks like that. Right? It could be makeup. But yeah, I feel you, brother. Somewhere that was there. Actor plus dancer plus singer plus global star plus craze ka baap plus motivator plus handsome plus a man with golden heart equals Prabhas sir. He is a true fan. I believe you. Sahana song is trending on number 3 on music trending charts. Are you surprised? I'm not. Let's go to the next one. We are gonna watch. What are we watching now? Tadan, 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 tadan. Lot of you commented down. Janadayagan, Janadayagan, Janadayagan. Second single is out, and here we go. Urupere Varalaru lyrical song is what we are gonna be watching now. Talapati Vijay is the superstar on this one. Composed by Anirudh Ravichandar. Yes, he always brings it for the Tamil audiences. The best music. Lyrics is by Vivek, vocals by Vishal Mishra and Anirudh himself. Star cast would be Thalapathy Vijay, of course, then Pooja Hegde, Bobby Deol, Mamita Baiju, and Gautam Vasudev. Produced by Venkat K. Narayana. Directed by H. Vinod. Okay, let's go for it. Boom.
என் நெஞ்சில் குடியிருக்கும்
Captions? Oh, there's no caps. It's a lyrical video. Who's coming? Talapathy Vijay.
ஒரு பேரே வரலாறு அழிச்சாலும் அழியாது அவன்தானே
Amanane. Jananayagan, yes.
நடிக்காம ஒரு மாற்றம் பிறக்காது தரமந்தா தரமானவன் உன் பேரை கேட்டா உடல் உடஞ்சே போகும் விழித்திரையில் பார்த்தா மனம்
Fan frenzy.
நீ தூணா நின்னா ஒரு இனமே வாழும் நீ தூரம் போனா எங்க உயிரே போகும்
So true. Don't leave us. Uyire. The video is good. Yay! We got dance by Vijay sir himself. Hey, the move is good. The move is good. Something so cool about this. Is it the Talapathy? It's the color grading. Anirudh? Is that her? Singers Vishal Mishra, lyrics Vivek, shout out all of them, choreographer Sudan, and the rest of the cast.
இவன் பெரியோருக்காதே இவன் கொடியறங்காதே இவன் முடிவனங்காதே புயத்தல கோதாதே முக்காலத்தில் எவரும்
Even the poses are cool.
கிடைக்காதே இவன் புகழடிக்காதே சிங்கம் நிறையாதே
Single!
கோடி மாலைகள் நீயும் எங்க போன போதும்
That was easy for him. Breaking shit up.
அந்த சந்தோஷம்
Kids love him!
சொல்லு நேரம் எங்க மனமே உனது எங்க கனவா சமக்கும் உனக்கே ஒரு யுத்தம் இனியே உயிரே உடன் அட்டம் துளியே வருவே நடு பக்கம் துணையே உயிரின் உயிரே அழியாத வாயின் கரையே புரியாத வண்ணரையே களத்தில் இவன் இருக்கும் வரையே
Let's fight!
ஒரு பேரே வரலாறு அழிச்சாலும் அழியாது அவதானே ஜனநாயக
They're all getting the good energy from him.
மக்கள் மன்னன் பிறந்தாரு தமிழ் மண்ணில் தரமானவன்
together, man. The color grading of this video just made it even more cooler because of the itty-gritty vibe, and then him just going through, making us realize that let's rise together. The track got way much cooler when he started dancing. Because that was the main highlight of this entire track. Of course, the music, Anirudh, once again, claps to you, kudos to you for doing a great job, and the whole team who comes together to make this the bigger next thing, right? They did also mention in the lyrics that when he goes away from us, it's like us losing our own lives. Uire Nuire is gone. So, like, don't leave us once again. If you agree, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Oh, this one's trending on #1 on music trending charts. You can see the fans love him, and so do I. Also, a lot of people were taking good energy from him by just touching him, being around him, and he is the Jananayagan and will be forever. Let's check out some of the comments and end this. 24 hours, 24 million fire, Thalapathy power with a heart-eyed emoji. Of course, everybody's gonna sit and watch this, especially because it's gonna be one of his last movies and one of his last songs, right? Most viewed Tamil lyric song in 24 hours, 26 million. Yeah. He is one of the biggest stars in India, so internationally, not just India. My bad. Internationally. So, not a big deal. Man at his 50s, the energy of him is incredible. No one can beat it. Climbing the charts, heart-eyed emoji. Oh my god, I can't actually take in the fact that he's 50 years old. Guys, he's so fit. And he does not look 50. The face, the structure, everything just looks perfect. He just looks probably 30-ish. He does not look 50 yet. What the hell? 1,000 crore plus loading, one and only Thalapathy Vijay sir. Heart for both the actors. I loved both of them, and I hope they both, Thalapathy Vijay and Prabhas Anna, they both get a lot of love for their films and bag a lot of money in his efforts at the end of the day needs to be paid off. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the reaction, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, hit on the bell icon, and I will see you once again later. When something new releases, I'll be here. So bye.
No filter, I got no filter.